I finally did it. I'm giving up on Pro Max now. I know everyone thinks I'm really crazy now. I have been using the big screen phone since 11 Pro Max. And I have been living with this 17 Pro Max for 4 months now. But sitting here today, I just realized something very simple. Your phone should make your life easier, not to be a burden to carry around. I am Rakshith. I am just a regular guy, tired of reviews that really sounds like commercials. You work hard for your money and you really deserve to know the truth. So here is why I switched to 17 Pro and if it was really a good choice. Let's find out. I'm just waiting for my food right now. And for the first time forever, my wrist doesn't ache. Look, don't get me wrong. The Pro Max is a beast. But it started to feel like a chore. It was like carrying a brick in my pocket. I couldn't reach the top of the screen without doing any hand gymnastics. Here, I can just use my phone normally now. It feels human again. My first rule is always real life experience over the specs. I don't care about the numbers or the chart. I just care about how the phone fits into the actual routine. Let's look at it back at my desk. The 17 Pro just looks right. Look at the silver color. It's stunning. It's a subtle shift from Max, but in hand, it's a total transformation. You can instantly tell the weight difference between them. A lot of people think smaller means step down. But here, let me tell you a secret. Both this phone have same exact chip, A19 Pro, and same exact camera sets as well. So you are just losing the bulk. You are not losing on anything else. If you want me to tell you what exactly is the difference between these two phones, let me tell you, it's just the screen size and the battery. Apart from that, these two are identical. If a piece of tech isn't good enough for my family, I won't recommend you to buy it either. Now, just because I downgraded my phone, it doesn't mean that I'll be reckless, right? I paid for this with my own money, so I'm protecting this immediately. This ESR kit is my go-to just because it's a stress-free installation. This comes with a self-alignment kit which you can use to install the screen protector hassle-free. Look at this. There is no bubbles, no stress. A simple update that actually protects your phone and save you from expensive repairs later. Now I can head back out without worrying about tiny micro scratches on my screen. I believe tech should be a tool that serves us, not a distraction. Taking a photo with 17 Pro doesn't feel like a production anymore. I just snap and go. So, if you want the phone that fits your routine and respects your hard earned money, the 17 Pro is a sweet spot. Join the family, subscribe below, and remember, just ask Rakshith if you have any queries regarding the tech. My big bro advice: don't buy the biggest ones just because the box says max. Buy the one that fits your hand and your life. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.